Hi, I'm Lorne Therrien, author of the book Deceptive Gods, Confronting the Divine and Demonic. What is an awakening or enlightenment is the topic of today's video. Now, before we begin, don't confuse an awakening or enlightenment with a mystical religious experience. These are two completely different experiences, and both of them being life-changing. This video will just focus on the awakening or enlightenment. In a future video, I will talk about what a mystical religious experience is based on personal experience. So, an awakening. I prefer this term more than the term enlightenment, because through the years hearing that term attaining enlightenment or achieving enlightenment, this is not true. There is nothing to attain or achieve, and there certainly isn't any paths to enlightenment, because you are what you seek already, whether you're religious or not, or whether you give it attention or not. So let me begin by sharing my first awakening experience. On a sunny day in spring, I took a seat up against a tree overlooking a pond. Focusing on a pair of beautiful white swans in the distance, I followed their graceful movement with my eyes as I began to merge with the stillness of nature, the stillness of God. Closing my eyes, the awareness of the inhalation and the exhalation of breath became the bridge where I slowly let go of thoughts, memories, emotions, attachments, beliefs, and lastly, physical sensations, and dissolved into our true nature as a raindrop dissolves into the ocean. During this experience of complete freedom, no questions came to mind, because all was explained in the absolute silence, and I was content in the arms of the infinite. Time did not exist in this state of pure bliss in non-duality. But the love in my heart triggered the memory of family and unfinished tasks, and I returned to the wakened state. After this experience, I looked down at my cell phone, and what appeared to be a moment was actually an hour in length. Now, I'm just a man that experienced a shift in consciousness and awakened to pure consciousness, nothing more. No titles or labels are wanted or needed, because this is not a level of achievement that makes me special. Everyone is capable of an awakening. And let me explain why. During deep sleep, when you are not dreaming, you are naturally experiencing pure consciousness. You are in the arms of the infinite. The difference being, you're not aware of it because you are sleeping. An awakening is experiencing this same pure consciousness in a wakened state. That's all it is. That is why you are always this. You are always this essence. You are always this pure consciousness. You are always experiencing this kingdom of God. You're just not aware of it. So, an awakening, or after the experience of an awakening, you know that everything you see and everything that you don't see is the source, pure consciousness, God. You know that one form of life can never be better than or more important than another because they all share the same essence. An awakening changes your worldview to that of unity. Thanks for watching.